you want to buy a fuel economy car that is not electric, because electric cars are expensive. This bad boy's got about a couple of them big horses. Can go like speed in numbers. It has doors. I don't think it's supposed to make that noise. It has magnificent wheel and weird circle and oval line thing. Yeah, it also has a horn. Sounds like, I don't know, Looney Tunes car. It's gonna take 5 people. Premium space. And it has cup holders so you can fit all of your lattes and iced coffees. You can also put it up, like I said, you can seat 5. See, it's a little uncomfortable though, so whoever got the middle seat, I pity you. So, oh yeah, I also have seat belts for premium safety and user-friendly deathness and undeathness. Don't work. Well, it also has, wait, did I forget anything? Oh yeah. It looks like a cockpit. I'm trying to plane. The only problem is, aside from the plainness, is it doesn't have an extra steering wheel in case you get like shot at or dead, or have a heart attack, or go into cardiac arrest. It also has extra space in the trunk. It has a dog collar in case your pup gets loose and you need to leash them up. It has premium extra space compartment for smuggling your Colombian nose candy. The feds will never find it. See, you have like plenty of spaces. We can have like out 5 or 6 weighted packages. And it also locks, so if you really don't want the feds, you can lock it and you see it. It doesn't wake up. I mean, lift up. I'm not waking up yet either. Yeah. Up there. It has this weird flappy thing that you can play with. I forgot to tell you about that. I don't know what it's for, but it looks cool. Yeah, plenty of space for dogs and cats and other crap you want. It also is a very embarrassing symbol right here, Prius, so you can brag to all your friends that you got the worst looking car that's still produced. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, it also has doors on the other side, in case you want to like get out, like your passengers, but you can also lock some if you don't want them to get out, which I like to do that, because, you know, you don't want all of your, like, people you've kidnapped getting out, but you have to put them back there, because I don't think it has a latch, but I haven't looked closely. It has beautiful chrome wheels. This has gone too long. Good night. Good night.
Good night.